In this video, we are going to fix Windows Update error failed 0x80240023. So without any further ado, let's dive then quickly to the process. So the first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So by that, here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. At the settings, you need to proceed here at the left pane, find for an option which is the system, click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down and locate for the troubleshoot. Afterwards, you'll see three options. Proceed to other troubleshooters and please click on run. Okay, so run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. Then wait until it will be finished, and once it is done, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution. Okay, so the next solution would be you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for percentage temp percentage and click on the OK button to proceed. Now here, you need to clear all of the files here being listed. Press Ctrl A to select the whole and then Shift to delete it and click on Yes. And then just skip those files in used. And then once completed, you need to proceed to the next step, and that is here at the search box. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you can see a command prompt system where here you need to go with Run as Administrator. Once you click on it, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So here, I will be including this command at the YouTube description. You can copy and paste it. So by that, you need to copy and paste this one by one, okay, and not as a whole. So this will do system scanning the first, and once you have done the system scanning, you need to proceed to the second, which is to check the health of your computer. Copy and paste it here. Once done, proceed to the third, which is to scan the health, and then paste it here and proceed to the last, which is to restore the health of your PC. Okay, so once the four commands has been finished, you need to restart your computer and try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay, now that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.